Well, it's supposed to be a nice day out today, but instead we got a crappy overcast day. But nevertheless, I want to get something done. The challenge today is to get the panels pre-fitted to the wall. Oh, I didn't drill all the way through this one. I'm gonna have to remedy that situation. So I can't officiate them today because I still need some parts that are coming in. But what I wanna do is I wanna pre-fit them. I wanna get them up there on the wall and then take them back down again until I'm ready to finish the install. That way, when I'm ready to finish the install, I can just slap them up there. It's already figured out. So I'm starting off with the top bar and I gotta pick a spot and I'm gonna level it. Now let's bust out the inch determiner. This one's dual. It's got centimeter determination is on it too. Got to figure out, remember once again what my measurements are. 64 inches is the total that I came up with. So 64 times 2 is 128. I know that because I'm a computer geek. Wait, is it 128? Yeah. So can I do 128 inches between there and that chimney flue area? Oh, here's 128, bud. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh boy, just. Huh. I need to get a ladder, start getting a closer perspective. To be honest, half the challenge is gonna be figuring out how to do this up all on my own. I imagined it right here, but there's barely enough room. I'd have to stick it like tight to either side if I want to put another 2 panels up. Working around this air conditioning is gonna be fun. Let's see what we got here. How's this feel? Sketchy as frig, but yeah, what we got here, bud? Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, it'd just fit. Just. Do we want to just slap it up or prepare for the future? These are the questions we must ask ourselves. Preparing for the future means putting it tight as frig. You know what, if we don't put it too tall, we can get it a little bit underneath this vent. Like, it doesn't have to be too high up, it just has to catch the sun. And the sun's coming down, so if it underlaps this AC unit just a scotch, I doubt it's gonna make any difference in performance. I should go measure how tall these things are. 59 inches. They're 59 inches the tall. So if we start just over the AC unit, maybe right about there. Oh, it's gonna go all the way up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bricks up. Oh, no, it won't clear. In order to clear, I have to start here. 4 bricks up, and 4 bricks up is covered by this junkie box. Well, we got a little bit of Tetris here, bud. Alternately, I don't think there's a rule saying I have to put them straight up and down, is there? So what's 59 inches times 2? 118. Well, just got shorter, bud, but that would fit. Of course, we can go higher if we're brave. No, I envision these being straight up and down. Put them tight to the wall. This one's gonna catch some shadow earlier in the evening. Decisions. And one says I could always move the panels later if I wanted to, but I already feel dirty and evil enough putting holes in my wall. I don't want to put more holes than I need. Actually, you know what? There's also this section here. If I want more panels, I could just slap them up over here. Sure, why not? Let's get this done. So, 59 inches. We're gonna start 6 bricks up. I need some sort of marking implement. We're gonna go, I think there's different bricks on this wall. Center on this side, 6 bricks up, 7 bricks up. Bottom of the panels is here. And then of course, it's not that simple. I need to figure out the rest of my measurements of the whole rig. From the bottom of the panel, our first bar is 10 inches up. That puts it, on this brick, inconveniently. Okay, then it'd be 38.5 inches up to the next bar. You can get a good look at my ass. You don't quite line up, bud. Oh no, it'll be okay. Right here is where our first hole's gonna go. I need to set up a more stable ladder arrangement though. Why do ladders gotta be hard to set up? This entire video just fiddling with ladders. This might be a less sketchy way of doing things, except our hole's underneath where I need it. Oh, man. That'll work. Now I need to bust out this absolute unit of a drill bit. Impacting. Gotta make a 1 inch, no, half-inch hole. Put our little adapter in there. Here we go. There's no turning back now. Hammer mode. Right, working up on the later. Yes, put the hole right here. Very loud, very not straight. Oh, come on. All right. Been a while since I drilled a hole in a brick. Oh. Holy frick, that's loud and this brick is hard. I'm hoping I'm biting off more than I can chew. Might need some earplugs. She'll go. Is this bit gonna last 4 holes? I can't do this. This is gonna kill my ears. All right, now with the earplugs. I think I'm about to punch through though. It's not straight, but. Huh, a hole I could stick my finger into. Now the idea is I'm supposed to be able to stick these D-lima bobbers in there to get a whole bunch of, you know, ability to not fall off the wall. Mind you, I feel like the whole, oh, okay, well, wow. It's a bit gaping. I'm not gonna bother bringing the camera up here because, like, come on. How deep does this hole go? Oh, it's just right. Except it's rotating on me. I almost feel like it needs to go just a touch deeper. Straighter would be nice. Okay, well, let's try to get this thing stuck up here. All right, now hopefully, without it spinning out on us too much. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, look at that. It works so well, it stays straight. Oh, this is gonna be great. Yeah, it almost feels a bit too low. Like, I know it's not, but according to my measurements anyway. So the hope now here is to get this thing relatively level. Set the precedent for the rest of the install. That looks good like that. Will my marker poke through there? No, it won't. I need some way to score that hole down there. Oh, there's a bump there. This isn't gonna let us go level. Okay, well, gonna have to make do. This thing's conveniently gonna stay right here though. My geometry doesn't line up. Okay, back down the ladder. Fun. Gotta do a depth check. Nope, not there yet. Seriously, is this bit gonna do 4 holes? It's gonna cost me damn it $20 to put a hole in this wall. Oh, it's too hot. That should be depth. I think I just lost the clip that keeps this together. That's nice. Come on, just a little bit more, bud. There we go. All right, are we good? Oh yeah, we're so good. All right, now I have to take it down. I have to install it back onto the panels, and then I have to hoist the panels up here and then pilot the other 2 holes. We're doing the long division version of an install. That's because I can't trust my tolerances, you know? Just kind of YOLO bomb this thing together. It'd be nice if I could just go, all right. So here is our photovolatile assembly. How I'm gonna get it up there is up for philosophical debate. Well, for starters, on one side, I can install a lag bolt so I can hoist up one side while I lift the other. Hopefully that's a solid plan. I kind of blocking my ladder here, bud. This kind of goes in loosely. Thought this was supposed to be 1/4 inch. Oh wow, this thing sucks. This is not the advertised size. Yeah, it's definitely not as thick as the lag bolts. Frickin' guys. Okay, well, let's see how it feels. Gotta figure out how this rope comes apart first. Oh, there it goes. Oh boy, this thing's crap. Well, we'll give it a little bit of a college try and see what happens. I might have to run out and get more rigging hardware. Oh, can I safely place this on top of the air conditioner? Oh man, I need to start lifting again. I don't know how well this plan's gonna work. This thing's a bit too heavy for me to lift on my own. What if that stupid thing breaks? I have a problem, which is entirely possible it will. Now, how does that stupid bolt look? Piece of crap. Oh boy, that's not gonna hold it high enough. I should just be able to make it. Oh, okay, sketch fest, bud. Holy crap, what a sketch fest. I am nervosa and while on a ladder. Isn't that just great? Oh boy, it's like an extreme frickin' sport, bud. Oh boy. I think to date, that is officially one of the sketchiest festivals I've attended. To give you perspective, this is how well that crappy bolt held up. Yeah, felt real good about this one. And I still gotta get that thing back down as soon as I pilot the next holes, which are right there and right there. What I think I need to do is pop inside, grab myself a smaller masonry bit so I can go meh, 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 while this pupper's still up there, and that should set things up for me. Maybe I have one in the shed. Hey, will this bolt do that? Ho ho, Ho ho, just, eh? Just, bud. We got a chowdered bit here. That should be good. Oh yeah, that definitely piloted a hole. It's actually drilling through the concrete rather well. I'll see on the other side. Yep. And now I have to get that thing back down. Unless there's a way I can lower it just slightly. Oh, resting on that junction box. Okay, let's see how long it's gonna stay like that for. Yeah, okay, I'll take your word for it, bud. Just rest that just there like that. We'll put the second hole in. This bit's gonna be pretty much done after this. Should I be going a slower speed, actually? No, I don't think so. This battery's almost done. I gotta swap it out. All right, how's the depth? Oh, nailed it. Okay, now I gotta lift this up and do that to the other side. Did I get the hole? Oh, I think that's stripped out or something. Ah, great, that mounting hole's damaged. Oh, look at all the ducts. I think this hole just needs to go a touch deeper. Needs some relief for the bolt itself. Okay, we're good. I need something on this side to rest the panel on, because there's nothing, it's gonna swing all the way down. Perhaps if we resort to a little bit of boredom. Well, leveraging against this machine here, it looks like I might have an idea. Let's see how well it's gonna work. Oh, that board just wants to fall out, eh? Oh, no. Oh, the sketch factor just keeps improving. This is not a how-to video. Don't do this. Frickin' hell, bud. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure. Now where's my hole? It's blocked. The geometry's all wrong. Holte. So when the going gets sketched, the sketchy gets sketchier. These are all physics exploits here, folks. Secretly, I'm a genius. Oh, I don't think there's a cavity there. This one, I need one of those accessory handles. This last hole is certainly fun. I'll tell you right now, that's not the depth. Close, but we need relief for the bolt itself. Oh, there we go. With depth to spare. Depth of despair. All right, let's pop that little pupper in there. I should be able to hoist up just this side, slap it on there, and we're good. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah, bud. Might slop around with the wind a bit, but it's solid. If weather managed to rip that off there, well, I'm gonna have to give it some credit. Might be a bit too much flex though. I guess we could go 6 bolt. I'd have to go purchase more hardware. Yeah, it should have another bolt. So I've drilled another hole in the rack. Once I get this down, I'm gonna put another hole in the wall, and then that should deal with this flex and flop. Gonna have to buy more hardware, but I think I should get the one screw hole up there. It's a little sketch. So, should probably replace that insert. Now it's a case of getting this thing down. Yeah, oh boy. Okay, where's that bent up piece of crap? You cannot escape your destiny. You must face Sketchavator again. Well, if we got it up, it should get it down, right? At least we have that junction box to lever on. Oh, oh, came right out that time. This is no good, man. Come on, I just need you to hold well enough to get this thing down. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay. At least I'm becoming comfortable with this ladder. Carefully now. This geometry is super weird. Oh, frick. It's bending at an all-time high, bud. All right. Oh! Oh, we did it. So tell me, buds, do you think that sketch-ass bolt is gonna get us one more use to reinstall this thing? Let's get this put away. All right, so now I get to drill another hole. Fun. Stop walking. You're not an actor. Take a more alternative approach here. I don't think this drill bit's happy. This is some hard-ass brick. Part of the problem is I can't get proper leverage in it. My battery's almost done. 3 holes out of 1 battery. They're only 3.0 batteries though. Yeah, you know what? I'm getting a new battery. High output 6.0 should get it done. Oh yeah. Now I'm believing there's a perforation here, so. Oh, this one last hole's taking forever. I swear there was a perforation there. That should be where there's a hole in the brick. Unless it's not the brick I think it is. It should pop through at any moment. Doesn't help I got a dull bit. Oh, okay, I gotta check my depth. Oh, depth is good. Needs a little bit more for bolt relief. That should be good. I honestly don't know that this bit has anything left in it. It had a hard time getting through that last hole. So now, because it's calling for rain later and tomorrow, I need to go and seal those up with a little bit of caulk. I guess I might as well pull those inserts out. Just want to make sure they don't get water in there. Oh, come on. Just spad that hole. Come on, it's all chunky. Can I just put a piece of tape over this or something? This is just making a mess. Okay, I think I got that one. We got a chunk. Here's the paper towel I brought with me. Oh boy, we just blew a plug out. I think it's gonna flow nice now. All right, that was it. I'm probably just gonna edit most of that out. But those holes are adequately plugged for the next couple of days of weather. And of course, rubber is significantly easier to drill through than brick, so I'm not too worried about being able to open those holes back up. All right, I do believe that's it for today. I'll spare you all the cleaning up. Stay tuned though. Once the parts come in, the replacement MC4 connectors and the junction connectors and whatnot, I gotta wire that all up. Get those photo-violent assembly all wired up, ready to slap on that wall. And then we gotta do some wiring. That's the hard part done. I'm glad it's good. Yay. Whew. It's getting cold. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, is our chuck messed up? No, the chuck's got grip, bud. Oh, hey,